My name is Scott McNair, and I'm with the law firm of Clemens, Richter, and Reese, and we're doing a video series on different legal issues affecting you. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the DUI law in Pennsylvania. DUIs with respect to alcohol and DUIs with respect to controlled substances and drugs. Believe it or not, if you're charged with DUI in Pennsylvania and you're facing a first offense, you can still be facing mandatory minimum periods of jail time. We have a three-tiered system for the DUI law in Pennsylvania based on your blood alcohol content level. If your blood alcohol content level is between a 0.08 and a 0.10, you fall into the lowest category for DUIs. If your blood alcohol content level is a 0.10 up to a 0.16, you're in the middle category, and if your blood alcohol content is a 0.16 or higher, you fall into the highest category for DUIs. In Pennsylvania, if you're a first-time offender and you have no prior record whatsoever, you may be eligible for a program known as ARD that would allow you to earn a dismissal of your charges and not incur some potential consequences that someone who's convicted may incur. ARD is discussed in a different video series. You can go to our website at www.clemenslaw.com and click on the ARD video in order to see that. For first-time DUI offenders, you are facing the following potential consequences. If your blood alcohol content level is a 0.08 up to a 0.10, you are facing 6 months of probation, a $300 fine, and you have to complete mandatory highway safety school classes. Once your blood alcohol content level rises to a 0.10 or higher, you are now looking at driver's license suspension periods, even for a first-time offender. In the category of 0.10 up to a 0.16 blood alcohol content level, if you are convicted of that offense and it's your first offense, you are looking at a mandatory period of 48 hours of incarceration, you're looking at a mandatory minimum $500 fine, and you're looking at a 1-year driver's license suspension period, along with having to do highway safety school and some other potential consequences. If your blood alcohol content level is above a 0.16 and you're a first-time offender, you are looking at a mandatory minimum 72 hours of incarceration, a $1,000 fine, and again, a 1-year license suspension. So you can see that the consequences for even a first offense DUI are pretty dramatic and can have life-altering consequences. For people who are facing second or subsequent DUIs, the penalties are even more enhanced or more difficult to deal with. For example, if you are facing a second offense DUI and your blood alcohol content level is a 0.08 up to 0.10, you are looking at 5 days of mandatory incarceration. If your blood alcohol content level on a second offense is between a 0.10 and a 0.16, you're looking at a mandatory minimum 30-day period of incarceration. And if you're in the category of a 0.16 or higher, you're looking at 90 days mandatory incarceration. If you're on to your third offense, you are looking at periods of incarceration that can begin at 1-year mandatory minimums. So it is imperative for you to contact an attorney who's effective, who understands the DUI law, and who can raise defenses on your behalf. Clemens, Richter, and Reese is a small firm in Doylestown. We also have an office located in Lansdale. We have 5 attorneys that work in the office, and we can provide you with the individual attention that your case deserves. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to receive more information concerning DUIs, please visit our website at www.clemenslaw.com, or please give me a call to talk about your individual case. Our phone number is 215-348-1776.